people. This is my sixth video of the day, and I'm reviewing this film called Bajrangi Bhaijaan. Now, Bhaijaan, yeah, the film really I'm a fan of Kabir Khan, the director. I mean, most often it happens that mostly Salman Khans would come to watch a Salman Khan film, but for me, Kabir Khan is like, I don't know, I won't say God, but really, I think Mini Mathur made a very wise choice in marrying someone like Kabir Khan because his films itself are so intelligent. Yeah, I mean, the film Bajrangi Bhaijaan is basically in its what that film has done to for Indo-Pak unity. I think all the ministers and political parties put together haven't been able to achieve, because the film is about this little Pakistani child who gets lost in India and who is escorted back to safety by Salman Khan. So that's like the crux, the in one line, that's the story of the film. And I mean, this film, yeah, everything about it, right from I think the casting, which where that little girl, her name is with H something, yeah, it just slipped out of my mind. But right from the casting to the music to the story, I mean, it's got the touch of divine in it. My mom used to use the word divine a lot, so after you watch this film, you also feel like you've been touched by a higher power or higher entity. I mean, just thinking of the climax of the film where this little child is on the other side of the border and Salman Khan is to this side, and it's like it's a very emotional scene. I can't even really recreate it for you, and for those of you all who watch the film, you all don't even need a very graphic description of the whole thing, but it can move anyone to tears. Yeah, so that, I guess, is the power of good cinema, that suddenly, regardless of whether you're Hindu, Muslim, Indian, Pakistani, foreigner, British, African, European, anybody, you will be touched by that scene and the whole the basic storyline. So it's a brilliant film. I won't even say 5 stars. Yeah, it's a 7-star rating. And of course, I'm supposed to be speaking about Kareena Kapoor Khan also, who's the lead character, and Salman Khan. But for me, the script was the hero of this film. Truly speaking. So 7-star rating, people. And Kabir Khan sir, oh my God, any movie by you, and I really try and make sure I'm there to go and watch it, on the big screen, because they are like right from Kabul Express to Bajrangi Bhaijaan, and all of Kabir Khan films, and that film starring New York, I think it was called, starring John Abraham and Katrina Kaif. Even that was a very special film. So amazing work, and so just keep giving us good cinema. I mean, as long as Kabir Khan, directors like Kabir Khan are around, you can be sure that Indian cinema also can churn out films that can stand at a global platform, which is saying a lot. Yeah, really. So thanks for watching this video, people, and please subscribe.